Right now, inside your body, there are cells that have forgotten how to die. Scientists call them senescent cells, but in the longevity community, we have a much better name for them: zombie cells. They are not quite dead, but they definitely are not alive. Instead, they just sit there. And here is the scary part: they are not just taking up space, they are actively leaking a toxic sludge that's making your healthy cells sick, causing that brain fog you felt this morning and essentially rusting your body from the inside out. But what if I told you there was a delete button? In the next 6 minutes, I'm going to show you the emerging science of Senolytics, a way to hunt these zombies down and clear them out. And make sure you stick around until the very end, because I'm going to share a specific hit and run protocol that researchers are using to trigger this cleanup without ever stepping foot in a clinic. To understand how to fix this, we have to understand the why. Normally, your cells have an expiration date. When they get old or damaged, they are supposed to self-destruct. It's a beautiful process called apoptosis. But as we age, some cells get stuck. They flip a survival switch and refuse to go away. Think of it like a single moldy strawberry in a container. If you leave it there, it doesn't just stay one moldy strawberry. It releases gases that turn the entire batch into mush within 24 hours. That gas in your body is something called SASP, that is senescence associated secretory phenotype. It's basically a cocktail of inflammation. This is why your joints might feel stiff for no reason, or why your skin loses its bounce. It's not just getting old, it's a buildup of cellular trash that your body's garbage truck can no longer keep up with. So for decades, we thought this was inevitable. But recently, a new class of compounds called Senolytics has changed the game. The word literally means destroying the old. These are not like your typical vitamins that you take every day to support your health. Senolytics are like a tactical strike team. They don't help the zombie cells, they make the environment so uncomfortable for them that they finally agree to die, leaving the healthy cells untouched. Now you might be thinking, great, where's the pill? Well, the most powerful Senolytics discovered so far are not made in secret lab. They are actually found in nature. You just got to know these two very important names. First, Fisetin and second, Quercetin. But here is the kicker, and this is where most people get it wrong. You cannot just eat a bowl of strawberries and expect to clear out decades of zombie cells. It comes down to the dosage and the timing. So let me tell you the hit and run strategy I promised at the start of the video. You can start using this from today. This is the part of the video you will want to save and share it with others. In clinical trials, researchers don't give these compounds every day. Why? Because you actually need some zombie cells or senescence for things like wound healing. If you delete every zombie cell 24/7, your body cannot repair even a paper cut. Instead, they use hit and run protocol. They use a high dose for 2 or 3 days, clear the field, and then they stop for a month or two to let the body recover. It's like a deep spring cleaning for your house. You don't keep the industrial vacuum running 365 days a year. You use it once, get the dust out and put it away. So, how can you apply this to your life right now without being a lab rat? Here is your 3-step zombie deletion protocol you can follow. Step first, the natural nudge. Focus on foods high in Fisetin. Strawberries are the king here, but specifically look into smoke tree extract if you are looking at the concentrated supplement form. And obviously this goes without saying that always talk to your doctor first. Step second, zone 2 stress. Research shows that sustained low intensity cardio, the kind where you can just barely hold a conversation, actually signals your immune system to wake up and start clearing out these cells naturally. And step third, the pulse. If you explore Senolytic supplements, look for the pulse or Mayo protocol. It's that 2 days on, 30 days off cycle we talked about. It's about being a sniper, not a machine gun. As we all know, we are moving into an era where biological age is a choice, not a sentence. By clearing out the junk, you are giving your healthy cells the room they need to actually thrive. If you found this helpful, like this video and subscribe to the channel. We talk about everything related to longevity and how to live longer, healthier life. Go clear out those zombies in your body, and I will see you in the next one.